Okay guys, welcome to lesson 10. If you have been following all, let me say thank you very much. We are about to move on from beginner level to intermediate, and we will be using Sublime text. So guys, in this video I will be teaching you people how to download and install the Sublime text. So try you have your get your internet connected. Like you see, I'm using a Wi-Fi here. This is the Wi-Fi I'm using here. It is well connected, and I'm just going to get over to our notepad, and then in notepad we'll say today we will installing our first IDE, okay, called, and in here we say Sublime text. Okay, we will be installing Sublime text. So guys, if you check in the description, you will find a link to make it much easier for you. You will find the link that will tell you that UI, and you can go to the direct link that you can use and go to and download Sublime text. So the link is actually in the description. It is there, so please try. So without further ado guys, so to get started, we will open our Google Chrome here, and then we are going to search Sublime text download. Good. Okay, so the first one you see here that have the sublimetext.com on it, the first one you see here, the link, it is what we're going to use. You click on it. Trust me, the Sublime text is not that heavy. Okay, so good. This is their page. All right, so we are at the download page. You can see here. So if you are using a Mac OS, there's a Mac OS version or Linux based version, the direct link for it and so forth. For me, I'm using a window. If you are using a window, so you can just stick on and follow. If you are using a Mac OS and you are not getting the download, you can comment it and I will try and do a tutorial on that showing you how to do it. Okay, so for window, I'm going to click on our window version, and then it bring me up to this place. When it bring you up to this place here, now you have to read this right here. Let's say download not working, try a direct link. Okay, but to be honest, it is actually going through. If I check in my download section here, like you see here, it is download already. You see here, it started downloading already. So I click on that. So they say thanks for downloading Sublime text. Okay, then down here they say download is not working and so forth, blah blah. So do not use it, do not think about it. Okay, so it is downloaded already. This is it right here. So let me go to Control J on Chrome, will take you to the download section. Okay, so this is it. This is our Sublime text. All right, so I can open it up here. So let's open it into file. Show into our file. Okay, now so let's make it bigger so you can see. Okay, so there's the Sublime text that we have here. All right, Sublime text is here. So to install it, we're going to open it up. You can run it as administrator. Good. So they are going to ask you, this a window going to pop up. Window will always ask you these questions to know that if you the user want to give full permission to what is about to happen. So we're going to say yes. So you're going to take up time and load. Good. Now there's the Sublime window that we have here. This is our Sublime window that we have here. So you can browse and change the directory, but I recommend that it just stay the same. You click on next. Okay, they say add to explore content menu. We're not going to touch that. Say yes, next, and then come and click on install. It's going to take a few minutes to complete. So like we said, okay, it is done. it is finished already. So we click on finish. Now we refresh our window. So now we cannot see our Sublime text on the desktop yet either. So what we're going to do is I'm going to find our Sublime text here and search. Okay, this is our Sublime text. Okay, recommended, this Sublime text recently added, and then you can pin it to the start bar. Okay, either so we can pin it to the start bar, we can pin it to the task bar. So we're just going to pin it to our task bar. Let it be to the task bar. Okay, so while it is at the task bar here, this is our Sublime text. We can open it up, open it out and see what the Sublime text is all about. Okay guys, let it open. Okay, it's taking a little time already. It'll open twice, so I'm gonna close one. So this is our Sublime text. This is what we will be using. Okay, so guys, stay on. So we will be using this from our lesson 11 onward. Okay, so guys, this is 10. I'm there teaching you guys how to download this and how to go about doing it. Okay, so thank you very much. I'll see you guys in lesson 11.